well, are you guys? Did you guys have any questions um, on the preparation assignment?
I don't think I did, just personally.
Yeah, I thought it was pretty self-explanatory. Well, at least for this lesson. Did you have any questions about it, Elena?
No.
No.
I thought it was, yeah, pretty easy.
Okay, cool. And she seems pretty frozen right now. But all right. So did you guys do part 1 and part 2 for the preparation assignment?
Yep.
Cool.
Gotta find it. Oh, there it is.
I just didn't do the last question, but.
The last question? Okay. Would you want to do that together real quick?
Sure.
And then we can do the homework. So let me find the reading. All right. So so you did number 5, right?
Yeah. Should you just do a step after that? Is that it?
Yeah. Yeah. So if you look at in the online textbook on 3.2.1, well 3.1, rolling a die, it shows you exactly how to get the standard deviation, and it's pretty self-explanatory. It pretty much gives you what's it called? It gives you like an equation.
Oh yeah, I see it.
We can just plug that in, and we should get the answer. So do you wanna do that together real quick?
I can just do it, or we can do it together.
Yeah, let's just do it real quick. It'll be a good little review before we take the quiz.
When I did mine, I just went ahead and made the tables just like they did on the thing, and so it was easy to kind of plug it in.
Okay, cool.
So
did you do the table on SPSS or?
No, I just did it on Word.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then I just typed it in. It was just like, and then I just calculated it. So.
Cool.
But it made it easy to see, so you knew what you were doing.
Yeah. Well, that's smart. Cool. So, however you want to do it, I think it's fine. If you're a visual person, that's a great way to do it with the chart. I think that's a great idea, Victoria. But so, I guess I kind of did mine at like the chart, but just wasn't as pretty because I did it on paper and in like different spots. But I guess it kind of worked like the chart.
Yeah. As long as it makes sense to you.
So do you want to do, Elena, do you want to do that real quick? Do you want to do that one?
Yeah, sure. I started it.
You already started it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Just the calculations. I'm just trying to, yeah.
Okay, cool. Just let us know when you got it. So Victoria, how many siblings do you have?
0.
Oh, really? You're an only child?
Yep. I'm that rare one in the Mormon community.
Well, that's cool. That's fun. I'm number 4 of 5, so really know how that feels. I always have a lot of movement in my house because I have 9 nieces and nephews, so
Oh wow.
got lots of little kids. That's for sure.
Yeah. I have one older cousin, and so she has a kid, but we only really see them sometimes on the weekends, so
Oh,
it's
cool.
just
Where do they
one
live?
little one. They live in another town, just north of here.
Cool.
So yep. So all our family, well, my mom's side of the family is really close, so it's nice.
Cool. Hi, Mindy. Can you hear us?
I'm there. I keep on disconnecting.
Yeah, we can hear you. How are you? Just for a second. Did you finish it, Elena?
Yeah, I got it.
Cool. Perfect. Do you have any questions about it, or are you good?
No, I think I'm good.
Cool. Alrighty. Well, would you guys just want to take the quiz then? If we don't have any questions.
I'm okay with that.
Yeah. You good with that, Elena?
Yeah, that's good with me.
Okay. And if Mindy's having a ton of problems, like she can't really get connected, maybe she'd be able to just watch the video and take the quiz by herself.
Okay.
Yeah.
We could just message her so she could do that. Feel bad, but all right. So we can just. All right, I'm just pulling up the quiz real quick. So, well, Victoria, what are you going into? Like, what's your major?
Biology with emphasis in microbiology.
Oh, cool. So, what do you want to do with that?
I'm wanting to do like research or like DNA analysis.
Cool.
That's
That's
cool.
way cool. What are you doing, Mindy? Or not? Sorry, Elena. I'm sorry. I saw Mindy's picture.
Let's see. I'm doing health science to get prereqs for dental hygiene.
Cool. Awesome. That's what my sister did.
Oh yeah?
She got married, and so all the places that she wanted to go to dental hygiene, that's not where her husband got a job offer. So she ended up not going to dental hygiene school, but she just ended up finishing her next 2 years in, what was it called? It was, I don't know, kind of like health science, but yeah. Yeah.
That's
I
cool.
want to go to dental school, so
You do?
I'm all for you with the teeth. I like that stuff.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Yeah. Well, that's fun. It's good stuff. Well, do you guys have the quiz open right now?
Yeah.
Just a second.
Yeah.
There you go.
Fine. Perfect. Alrighty. Number 1. I complete the individual preparation assignment. Yep. Alright. Alright, number 3. We'll note. Give all the probability answers as decimals. For example, 0.1234. Do not give probability answers percents. That's good to know. Alright, human blood can be classified into one of our basic types, O, A, B, and AB. The proportion of people in the United States, proportion of people in the population of the United States with each of these blood types is summarized in the following table. Use this data to answer the following questions. The blood types and the proportions given in the table above define a probability distribution. Does it all add up to 1? 4, 5,
Yeah.
4, 1, 1. Yeah, cool. So I would say true. Would you guys say that?
Yeah. I got 1 as well, so.
Okay, cool. Then, so number 3 is true, and then number 4, what is the probability that a randomly selected person in the United States has type O blood? Round to 2 decimal places. 0.45.
Yeah, I'd say 0.45.
You agree, Lena?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the probability, number 5, what is the probability that a randomly selected person will not have type O blood? So it would just be 1 minus 0.45, which would be point.
0.55?
So yeah, 0.55. Thank you. I'm really glad you can do math. Oh, that was very good. I would have gotten that one wrong. So 0.55.
Yeah.
0.55. Awesome. Number 6. Or do you agree with that, Elena? 0.55 for
Mhm.
number. Cool. All right. Or number 5. Number 6. Carolyn Willis and her colleagues conducted a study in which dogs were trained to detect bladder cancer. That's interesting. The dogs were trained to lie down next to a specimen derived from a bladder cancer patient. Tangle, one of the dogs, demonstrates the identification of a specimen. 7 bowls containing urine were lined up in a random order. 6 of the samples were from patients who did not have bladder cancer. One of the samples came from a person identified as a bladder cancer patient. Answer the following questions. If the dogs guess at random, what is the probability that they will correctly identify the dish containing the specimen from the bladder cancer patient? Round to answer to 3 decimal points. Okay. Wait, so it said 7 bowls containing urine were lined up, and 6 of the samples were from patients who did not have it. So if we're trying to find what is the probability that they will correctly identify the dish containing, so it's just 1 out of 7, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd say 1 out of 7. So that's
Percentage, or
Wait.
decimal, 0.143 to 3
Yeah.
decimal points. 0.143. Awesome. Number 7. In a combined total of 54 trials, the dogs correctly identified the specimen from the cancer patient 22 times. What is very unlikely that the dog would do? What? It is very unlikely that the dog would do this well by random chance alone. Which of the following statements is most appropriate? This provides strong evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer. There is little evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer. I think it would be the strong evidence, right?
I think so. If you do 22 out of 54, it gives you a like 41%.
Which is less than half.
Yeah, so that's where I don't know.
That's where I would think it'd be little.
But
Yeah.
also the probability of like 1 out of 7 of actually choosing, like if they were just randomly choosing, would only be 14%,
Oh, that's true.
and they got 40%. And there's that one sentence. It's the second sentence in that question. It says, "It is very unlikely that the dog would do this well by random chance alone." So that's kind of telling us that there's strong evidence that the dogs can detect bladder cancer. But
Yeah, I think I could see that because isn't it just like if you're like how they had with the dice where it was like 1 6 1 6 1 6 gives you your like true probability,
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
right? And so it'd be kind of like the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So okay.
Yeah. Perfect. All right. So number 8, we get to deal with M&Ms. I like M&Ms. All right. M&Ms are small chocolate candies. The M&Ms website previously indicated that in the United States, the distribution of the colors in a bag of plain M&Ms is given in the following table. Interesting. If you reach into a bag of plain M&Ms, what is the probability of drawing a red-colored candy? Well, don't. Oh, just joking. 0.13.
Yeah.
Round to 2 decimal places. 0.13. All right. And then what is the probability that a randomly selected candy is green? We would just have to add all those up and
I think it's 0.16.
okay.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
What did you get?
I got 0.16.
Me too.
1.16?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I must have done the math wrong. I'm just going to do it again because I did it wrong. Oh, that's where I went wrong. Good job. Yeah, that's what I got too. 1 minus 1.16. And what is the probability that a randomly selected candy is not green? Just 0.84.
Mm-hmm.
Almost done. All right. Well, cool. Then the ACT scores of students admitted to a medium-sized public university in the western United States were taken from capix.com. The following summary statistics were calculated. Use the information from the public university to answer the following questions. Half of the observations are less than or equal to what number? What? Half of the observations are less than or equal to.
So that'd be like
That'd be the
your
third
median,
quartile. Yeah, I think
or
you're right. Yeah, the
because
median.
that'd be your middle,
Yeah,
your half.
yeah. Half of the observations are less
So
than.
equal to
Yeah, so
24.
24. Is that what you're going to?
That's what I would say.
Okay. Okay. Cool. Is that
Because
do
if
you
you,
agree, Elena?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. All right. And based on the information on the table above, the top 25% of the students scored above what number? So that would just be the
third quartile, I think, right? Or
for the top 25%. Yeah, would be the third quartile. Yeah.
so 27.
Yeah. That sounds right.
27. Cool. Above what number? 27. And then 13. Which of the following statements is not one of the 3 rules of probability? Oh yeah. The probability that an outcome will not occur is 1 minus the probability that will occur. That is 1. If the probability is high, then the probability is positive. That's
I think that one's the wrong one.
yeah, I agree with you.
Yeah.
Cool.
Because all the
So
other ones are dealing with it being between 0 and 1.
yeah.
So
Well, cool. Awesome. Well, do you guys feel good about turning it in?
Wait, what was the last one? I didn't hear.
Oh, sorry. It's the one that says if the probability is high, then the probability is positive.
All right, that's what I thought too.
Okay. Cool. Right. Well, you guys ready?
Yep, sounds good.
Okay.
Submit. See what am I doing? Not doing. Yay.
100%.
Yay.
Hey, good job, guys.
Ooh, virtual high five. I don't know how to do that.
Oh, virtual
There
high
you
five.
go. Yeah.
Oh, good job. Alrighty. Well, do you guys have any other questions?
I don't think so.
Oh, okay, cool. Well, this went by really fast, and I think we're starting to get the hang of it. So,
Yeah, hopefully.
good.
I was looking at Thursday's preparation. Actually, I already did it. And I feel like Tuesdays are easier than Thursdays.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, because Thursdays, the first preparation, there's only like a couple questions, but then the second part, there's like quite a few questions, and they're supposed to go over it together. So I haven't looked at the second part, but like it's definitely longer. So.
Okay. All right. Well, thanks for preparing us.
Yeah.
Letting us know.
All right.
Well, I will see you guys on Thursday then.
Sounds good.
All right. Have a great week and good night.
Nice.
Good night.
See you guys.